Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, my moped is suffering from a little bit of neglect and has not actually been washed in the whole of the 8 years that I've owned it, but it's more specifically in the last 18 months or so, due to lack of use and also as well being stored outside, that it's actually got into this very sorry state. So let's get this cleaned up and get this bike back on the road. And unfortunately, round the other side of the bike isn't any better either. And so before breaking out the snow foam, which is always one of the funnest parts of any wash process, just thought I'd remove the visitors first. And after the snow foam and rinse off, it was then time for the contact wash, or more like the contact scrub, at least in terms of the seat. Yes, I know I was only using one bucket, but it did have a grip guard, and I was also washing off the mitt with a pressure washer regularly. And I also used some Built Hamber Surfex HD diluted in a 1:4 ratio, just to help get some of that dirt off the wheels and the tyres, which I did give a good scrub to, but unfortunately, for some reason, didn't manage to capture the video for, but at least I got some pictures, just to prove that I did it. And always handy to have a brush on standby just for all of those awkward nooks and crannies, whether it be in the wheels or on the paint, but don't use the same brush for both of those areas though. Yes, I know it looks like I'm giving the bike a blow dry. Well, actually this is a pet dry and it's a phenomenally useful thing. Not just for the moped, you can use it on cars, obviously on pets as designed, but also as well on my mountain bike. And it just gets into all of those nooks and crannies you just couldn't reach with a microfiber towel. And lastly then, the protection stage, using Sonex BSD for the paintwork and CarPro Pearl diluted in a 1:1 ratio for any rubber or plastic trim. And so then, after all that neglect and then subsequent hard work, this is the result, which I'm actually really pleased with. Thanks very much for joining me on the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you again soon with some more videos.